At some point, every maker dreams of building something everywhere they go. What if you could take your entire workshop with you? I found something that brings this to a whole new level. If you think the Elegoo Orange Storm Giga is big, wait till you see this. I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Maker Building. We're talking about a whole 3D printer CNC machine setup inside of a storage container. And it works with not just plastics, it works with metal, composites, and it can CNC. All in one system. Yeah, and yes, this isn't just a printer, it's a whole factory in the box. Let's check it out. I'm Brian DeLuca and I am here at RAPID TCT with Caroline in the Snowbird Technologies booth. And that is probably one of the biggest nozzles I've ever seen on a 3D printer.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what you guys do here at
Yeah,
Snowbird?
Absolutely. So Snowbird Technologies, we've developed deployable printers inside shipping containers.
Okay.
And so our base model that you see here is a 10-foot ISO shipping container. We've outfitted it with our patented gantry system that's actually built into the structure of the container. And we're able to do metal 3D printing, plastic and composite 3D printing, and CNC machining all within the same system.
Wow.
So it's a true factory in the box. Our goal here is to be expeditionary.
Okay.
And so we want to drop this in the field and be
Okay.
able to print parts on demand where they're needed, when they're needed.
So where is this mainly used? What are the main
Yeah,
applications?
so
for it?
our primary market is defense.
Okay.
So we're seeing a lot of use with Navy and some of the other defense forces, but the idea is supporting warfighters at the tactical edge with these parts on demand.
Okay, now it's interesting too because you guys added, this is pretty much like everything you would want to
Yes.
do to create something.
Yes.
Both additive and subtractive manufacturing right here in one
Absolutely.
thing. So what does this weigh?
Yeah. So the container itself is just under 10,000 pounds.
Okay.
We're around 9,850. Obviously, we've outfitted her with a lot of technology, and so it does take a little bit more to lift her and move her around. But she does weigh under the 10,000 pound limit, which is usually what's required of these container systems.
Are there some samples of what was actually printed on this machine itself?
Yeah, actually. So let's look at this one here. So here we've got a concrete nozzle.
Okay.
And this hasn't been polished or CNC'd down at all. This
Okay.
is what that weld wire will look like as
Wow.
it comes out. So we're using Meltio Engine Blue in this system. That's a laser wire DED technology. And we do that because you don't have to do heat treatment or post-processing necessarily. So
Okay.
you can actually cut this right off the build plate and put it into application.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Well, Caroline, thank you for your
yeah.
time. It was a
Thank
pleasure
you
meeting
so
you.
much. I appreciate it.
This is one of the wildest manufacturing systems I've ever seen. A deployable factory you could drop anywhere in the world, hit print, and start manufacturing. And that's just not cool, it's game-changing. From the shop, to the field, to anywhere you want to manufacture parts, this looks like the future of manufacturing. For more on 3D printing, DIY, or maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and we have a lot more innovations coming from RAPID TCT, so make sure you hit the subscribe button.